NFT games have made big news in 2021 and are expected to make more in 2022. What's more, you can play NFT games and make $32 per day in 2022 with absolutely no investments. I made this video to tell you just exactly how to do this. Before we start, I have some good news for you. I will be giving away $1,000 in cash prizes and PayPal money this month to 10 subscribers, $100 each as our way of saying thank you. To enter for the draw, here are the 3 easy steps to win the money. Subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Like all of our videos by simply pressing the like button and number. Finally, and the most important step, is that I want you to count how many times I say the word money in the video, and I want you to comment down the number below while leaving a comment about why you like our videos. Make sure to do all 3 of these steps in all of our future videos for the entire month, and once again, 10 lucky winners will be announced every single month via our community post. Now, how would you make $32 or even more per day? It's really simple. All you need is to download an NFT play-to-earn game and get your fingers busy. But which games do you download? Here's a list of the top 10 games that you should have a look at. Some of these games are easy enough for a 5-year-old to get a hang of, while some require some skill as a gamer. Also, a few have just enough graphics quality to get the job done, while others will simply blow your mind. Now let's dive in. The first game we'll be talking about is Splinterlands, an innovative card-based game released on the 25th of March 2021. The website www.splinterlands.com reads, "Since the days of the splintering, the face of the world has been shaped by blood and power. As factions battle for control, primal energies are harnessed and unleashed." That tells you, you are in for the real deal. With Splinterlands, you can play anytime and earn with every win. There are over 500 collectible cards that can be traded anytime. A Hive crypto wallet is created for you when you register, and you can convert your cards to crypto or sell them on multiple platforms. You can earn through tournaments, ranked play, and quests. Guess what? Splinterlands has awarded over $4.9 million in tournament prizes. Could it get any better? Hunter Coin. Self-described as the world's first real blockchain game, Hunter Coin was released way back in 2014 by a small team as an experimental project. It's a simple game that imitates crypto mining using gaming technology rather than a mathematical algorithm. The game gets its name from its native token, which users mine as they play. The gamers combat over limited resources and get rewarded with Hunter Coins, which can be transferred to their wallets. Although Hunter Coin belongs in the just enough graphics category, it is an interesting game. You will find download links to the game on Zaya.io. The Island. When I say The Island, you say, "Aye aye, Captain!" The creators of this ingenious game created a pirate fantasy, gave it some sleek graphics, and then added the coup de grace. It earned you money! The Island is a pirate-themed survival game in which your avatar plays the role of an ordinary settler in a 17th century pirate settlement. You have to hunt in the wild, brave harsh weather, and survive every obstacle that fully simulated world throws your way. You get rewarded in credits called LDM, which you can convert to real money. The game is available for download on privateers.life, so do check it out. Alien Run. Alien Run is one of the most popular games on this list, and unlike the previous games I've mentioned, you don't need to have a desktop PC to play. It's a mobile game and can be played on your Android phone or iPhone. On Google Play, Alien Run has over 10,000 ratings, which show its popularity. It's a runner game that has amazing levels and daily missions, and you can earn Bitcoin by completing the missions. The game is quite easy to learn, and you will find it pretty enjoyable. It's up for download at the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Axie Infinity. Some might say this game should have been the first on the list, and I don't disagree. Axie Infinity was released in 2018 and has grown to over 2 million daily active users. It's one of the most popular games in the metaverse and has its own token, AXS, listed on coinmarketcaps.com. In Axie Infinity, players collect, breed, and battle in-game characters known as Axies. These characters are NFTs, which means each is unique and can only be owned by one person at a time. 3 axes are needed to play, and players earn the in-game currencies AXS and SLP by winning battles and trading axes. These cryptocurrencies can then be exchanged for real money. The model used in the game creates an economy of sorts, and this spurs its cryptocurrencies. On CoinMarketCap, the AXS token has a live price of $109.37. The game can be downloaded on its own official website. CryptoBlades. CryptoBlades is an engaging game in the RPG genre that you do not want to miss. It was developed by Riveted Games LLC, a company with its share of games and gaming awards. The official website is www.cryptoblades.io. Players earn skill tokens by defeating enemies, going on raids, and staking. These tokens can be converted to money as soon as they are gotten. Weapon NFTs are created by users and are tradable, as well as game characters. Skill tokens can also be sold on the NFT marketplace. You would need to buy a character with BNB to start playing the game, but the crypto would eventually be returned to you as skill tokens. Mines of Dalarnia. The next game is Mines of Dalarnia, which is an action and adventure game. Your avatar is a miner who has to go crawling into mines seeking relics and artifacts. You can mine various in-game items, compete against other players, and win rewards. In-game assets can be traded on the Binance NFT marketplace. The game's native token, DAR, is used for all in-game activities and has fiat value. My Neighbor Alice. The peculiar name of this game makes it quite recognizable in the NFT gaming space. My Neighbor Alice is a world-building game that ranks among the top NFT games of 2021. Players use the native token Alice to purchase virtual plots of land. A range of daily activities can be done on the virtual land, and players can also buy other in-game items like cosmetics and decorations for their avatar. A player's status within the game is determined by their participation in in-game activities like fishing, bug catching, farming, etc. etc. If a player is an excellent landowner, they also get additional benefits. Virtual land is scarce in the game, and this causes fluctuations in land prices in the marketplace. You can sell your land or in-game assets and earn money. Illivium. Illivium is yet to be released but is still worth talking about. The game has an open-world RPG setting and in-game characters called Illivials. Illivials are collectibles and are used in battles against other players doing quests and completing challenges. You will also use them in playing through Illivium's fantasy storyline. You'll need to customize your Illivials. Each Illivial has an affinity and class, giving it unique strengths and weaknesses. Your Illivial becomes more powerful as you win battles and quests. Illivium's in-game currencies, ILV and SILV, and all in-game assets are tradable on any NFT marketplace. You can also stake partner tokens in their flash pools. An ILV sells for as much as $1,137.23, a high figure for a game token that shows just how much the game is being anticipated. Alien Worlds. Alien Worlds brings Star Wars to the blockchain. The game is designed as a metaverse with 7 planets. The planets are controlled by Planet Decentralized Autonomous Organizations, Planet DAOs for short. The goal of players is to earn the in-game currency called Trillium, which would give you staking rights in planetary elections and allow you to contest for a seat on the Planet DAOs. Trillium has liquid value and can be exchanged for real money. Players travel across the metaverse in spaceships seeking missions to earn Trillium, and in each completed mission, the player earns 5 NFTs. Now we've gotten to the end of the list, but these are not all there is to see. NFT games are sprouting up almost every day, and there will definitely be one that suits your preferences among the hundreds online. So why should you keep playing games as a hobby when you can do that and still earn cool cash? Sign up for one of these games, and the next time you tap that gamepad, you'll be tapping away at dollar signs. And don't forget about my free giveaway. 10 subscribers each will be getting $100 in cash and PayPal money this Yuletide month. All you need to do is like all of our videos, subscribe to Profit Avenue, and most importantly, comment how many times I say the word money in this video.